Today's video regarding Canon PIXMA TS5020 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to reset this printer. Now the first step is to switch it on and go on the display panel. On the display panel, as we can see the setting icon here, so we have to go there and click OK. Click on the settings, click on device settings, and in the device settings go down and look for the reset option. And here we can see the reset settings. Click OK and look for the reset all and select yes. So this might take few seconds and it will reset to the factory defaults. Click OK again. So our printer is reset and now it's ready to reconnect with the different Wi-Fi and whatever the purpose is you can do now, and go to the home screen. Thanks for watching.